Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you our top picks for the best digital single-lens reflex cameras for the year 2025. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your photography journey, we have something for everyone. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is designed for capturing stunning images and videos. With a remarkable 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, this camera delivers high-resolution images that are clear and vibrant. Whether you are shooting high-speed sporting events, wildlife, or portraits, the EOS 90D ensures you capture every detail beautifully. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS 90D is its high-speed continuous shooting capability of up to 10 frames per second. This means you can take multiple shots in quick succession without any lag, allowing you to freeze those once-in-a-lifetime moments effortlessly. The camera also offers impressive video capabilities with 4000 ultra-high-definition video at 30 frames per second, as well as full high-definition video at 120 frames per second. This versatility makes the EOS 90D perfect for capturing both stunning images and high-quality videos. Equipped with a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, the Canon EOS 90D enables fast and precise focus, even in challenging environments. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology, combined with eye detection autofocus, ensures that your subject's eyes are always in focus, resulting in natural and expressive portraits. The camera features an 8-way multi-controller, allowing for enhanced control and customization of camera functions. The design is intuitive, making it easy for photographers to adjust settings while looking through the optical viewfinder. If you are ready to elevate your photography and videography, the Canon EOS 90D digital single-lens reflex camera is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II boasts a high-resolution 26.2 megapixel full-frame Canon complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor. This powerful combination ensures stunning clarity and detail in every shot. With the Canon Digic 7 image processor, you can expect fast performance and improved low-light capabilities. One of the highlights of the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is its advanced 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system. This system provides precise focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions, with enhanced low-light sensitivity to exposure value -3 at the center autofocus point. This feature is invaluable for capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in dim environments. The camera also features dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology, which delivers phase detection autofocus and full high-definition video at 60 frames per second. This ensures that your subjects remain sharp and in focus, whether you are taking still photographs or recording high-quality video. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen liquid crystal display monitor adds versatility to your shooting experience. This feature allows you to capture images from various angles, making it easier to frame your shots creatively. With built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and near-field communication capabilities, the Canon EOS 6D Mark I allows for easy remote shooting and image transfer. This connectivity makes it simple to share your photos and videos with friends and family right from your camera. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II maintains a compact and rugged design. It is lightweight yet durable, making it an excellent choice for photographers on the go. Number 2. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 is the long-awaited successor to the DS750, offering a robust yet agile body that enhances your shooting experience. With a high-performance 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated full-frame complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor, this camera delivers sharp, detailed images with stunning depth of field. One of the standout features of the Nikon D780 is its advanced 51-point autofocus system. This system incorporates a new autofocus algorithm adapted from the flagship D5, allowing for sharp acquisition and real-time tracking through the optical viewfinder. Additionally, The D780 is the first Nikon digital single-lens reflex camera to include focal plane phase detection autofocus, providing a reliable 273-point hybrid autofocus system for live view and movie recording. The D780 also features eye detection autofocus, which is perfect for capturing engaging and candid portraits. This technology ensures that your subject's eyes remain in sharp focus, resulting in beautiful and expressive photographs. For videographers, the Nikon D780 does not disappoint. It offers ultra-sharp 4000 ultra-high-definition video at 30 frames per second, complete with high dynamic range support. Additionally, the camera can record in full high definition at 120 frames per second for impressive slow-motion effects. With interval timer photography capabilities, you can generate time-lapse movies right in camera. The camera also allows for multiple exposures, enabling you to combine photos taken previously to create surreal images. Built from rugged magnesium alloy and carbon fiber materials, the Nikon D780 is designed for extreme durability and is dust and moisture sealed. It features wireless connectivity through the easy-to-use SnapBridge application, making remote shooting and image sharing effortless. Number 1. Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV, also known as the Alpha 7 IV, is a hybrid camera that combines high-resolution 33-megapixel stills with exceptional video capabilities, including up to 4060 frames per second. This camera is perfect for both professional photographers and videographers, making it a versatile tool for any creative project. At the heart of the Sony A7 is a 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R back-illuminated complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor. This advanced sensor features improved color reproducibility and low-noise performance, delivering a dynamic range of over 15 stops. The sensor's copper wiring enables faster transmission speeds, enhancing the overall performance of the camera. The A7 IV is powered by the next-generation Beyond's XR image processing engine, which offers up to 8 times the processing speed compared to previous models. This enhanced processing capability minimizes latency and improves autofocus performance, allowing you to capture images with remarkable clarity and precision. For videographers, the Sony A7 IV provides outstanding video recording options, including 10-bit 422-4000 recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. This feature allows for high-resolution, smooth footage that can be slowed down in post-production, offering incredible creative possibilities. The camera supports the S-Cinetone color profile, which is derived from Sony's professional cinema cameras. This profile produces beautiful, natural skin tones, soft colors, and stunning highlights, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators. The A7 IV features real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, ensuring sharp focus on your subject's eyes. With 759 phase detection autofocus points and 425 contrast detection points, this camera provides exceptional tracking accuracy across approximately 94% of the image area. And there you have it, our top 4 best digital single-lens reflex cameras for 2025. Each of these models offers unique features to help you capture stunning images. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which camera you are most excited about. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!